Alright, this is the Market Hall elevator at IKEA, Robinson, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Yeah, another Dover that was modernized by Schindler. This one doesn't have a rear door like the other one. Although, to be fair, I don't think it can because it's literally right behind this wall. The other car is. They share the same shaft, so you're at 1, go up to 2. Very small for an IKEA elevator.
Floor.
Door closed does not work. Alright, here we go.
Second floor.
Schindler H Express mod, mad buttons, 2,500 pound capacity. Said this used to be an Impulse.
First floor.
Alright. There's the drop key.